For this topic, I really want to go over the one thing that you need from the personas in healthcare. And there is quite a variety of different people we will interact with and the different personas and profiles that we interact with, but they all have something in common. And this is in any industry, but in the healthcare industry, it really makes or breaks the way that we're able to succeed or not. And it's really about trust. This can be a very generic term and fluffy term, and it's definitely easier said than done. But it's becoming more and more important as more and more vendors are interacting with different people in the different levels in the healthcare system to learn how to gain this trust from the different personas. So how do we go about that? And I cannot emphasize enough that it's all about building relationships. And it's building those relationships outside of a sales cycle. You need to provide value in the interactions that you have with these customers, these potential customers, outside of actually being in the room, selling them something. So the next question is, how do we provide value as vendors if they're not, our value is inherent through the transaction of the product or solution that we offer. But I want to offer you that there's a lot that we can provide as vendors. And it really comes from the fact that as we interact with customers day in and day out, we get to see the same problems from different angles. And we get to see our customers and our prospects make mistakes, succeed, fail, try again. So we get to see a very different perspective than other customers do. So the value of our experience is the perspective of being able to bring in insight that we have collected along the way from all the customers we've interacted with or all the prospects that we've interacted with. And it's not about referenceable accounts. It's not about the details of it. It's really around bringing to the table a combined strategic insight that's not product specific, that is not necessarily tactical. It's really about becoming the trusted advisor because we've had the experience out in the field and we have something to bring to the table beyond just our solution. We're bringing in the experience of what customers have done and have not done and the outcomes of that. So today, really, I want you to think of what you have learned being out in the field, seeing the good, the bad, and the ugly of how health technology has been implemented and how that total experience that you have really translates into a valuable message and a valuable insight that you can share with your prospects. And the key is to be able to consolidate that information, consolidate the lessons learned that you have seen out in the field, and then be able to provide that value ahead of time, way before you have something to sell to them, way before they have something to buy. And that is really the key to becoming the coveted, trusted advisor within a healthcare organization. Thank you for your time today. For more content like this, and to see our upcoming events, check out our website, www.healthcaretechiq.com.